Introduction to ChatGPT. ChatGPT is one of the hottest topics right now, and for good reason. In just 2 months since its release, it has blown people's minds with its capabilities, breaking records with over 1 million users in just 5 days, faster than platforms like Netflix, Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. With ChatGPT, you might eventually come to realize that you are using Google less frequently, as it provides you with comprehensive explanations on an extensive variety of topics. This has indeed led numerous individuals to ponder the question of the future relevance of traditional search engines in our rapidly increasingly connected world where information is accessible at our fingertips. What is ChatGPT? The content that you provided is rather lengthy, and it contains several instances of repetition that might create a sense of confusion. It's potentially beneficial to rephrase the passage in a shorter and more concise manner while still ensuring that the core message is clearly conveyed. Here's an adjusted version that emphasizes the primary aspects and crucial information, which may help in delivering the message more effectively. OpenAI, the inventors of noteworthy AI technologies such as GPT-3, Codex and DALL-E, have brought forth ChatGPT. This impressive AI development serves as an active component that generates human-like textual responses in response to user inquiries. Additionally, Codex serves as a highly efficient API that supports the seamless translation of an array of natural language inputs into code. Lastly, DALL-E, another prominent AI component, employs advanced image generation methods from textual descriptions. These groundbreaking innovations reveal the extremely adaptable nature of AI, demonstrating its transformative influence on the way we interact with technology in our day-to-day lives. Risks of ChatGPT. The chatbot technology known as ChatGPT possesses an absolutely exceptional capacity to generate textual responses. This remarkable characteristic holds substantial and significant implications for industries that are generally highly dependent on human-generated answers. You might have heard about the widely popular Stack Overflow community-driven discussions where such answers are highly sought after. AI technology has breathtakingly surpassed U.S. medical licensing exams, even excelling in law exams. This has led to esteemed universities banning ChatGPT-generated answers for homework and assignments. Stack Overflow quickly followed, categorically prohibiting ChatGPT-generated answers to maintain the unrivaled quality of user responses. In this way, the Stack Overflow community can ensure that the quality of responses they consistently receive remains exceptional, and their valued users are able to engage with the platform without any interruptions or concerns arising from the introduction of ChatGPT-generated content. Using ChatGPT. ChatGPT is an incredibly accessible tool that is absolutely free to use, and the effectiveness of this remarkable tool can certainly be observed and evaluated in various real-world scenarios. For instance, by replicating a specific and common question that is frequently encountered and asked on Stack Overflow, incorporating this particular question into ChatGPT, and then closely observing its ability to successfully address and answer questions, providing essential explanations and even offering code snippets for direct and quick utilization. Users can gain a deeper understanding and appreciation of how truly effective and efficient ChatGPT can be when it comes to assisting in completing tasks and addressing inquiries. This particular aspect has raised concerns about the possibility of AI algorithms potentially replacing the roles and responsibilities of programmers in the long run. While ChatGPT is remarkably capable of writing code on its own, it is important to note that this specific tool still requires the assistance, understanding, and knowledge of users in order to function optimally. Ultimately, this is a reminder that developers continue to play a vital role in building, maintaining, and improving applications that make life easier for users in various aspects. Applications of ChatGPT. ChatGPT's outstanding applications extend beyond the realm of coding in a truly remarkable way. For instance, you have the benefit of taking advantage of its impressive capabilities to develop a comprehensive shopping list with ease. By incorporating ChatGPT in perfect harmony with inquiries about exotic seafood dish options, It generates a detailed and well-organized list that not only includes a wide variety of choices, but also carefully considers the previous interactions you've had with it, serving as a reminder of the context and preferences you've shared together throughout the numerous exchanges you've had with it. This exceptional demonstration of Chat's remarkable skill in adeptly handling intricate tasks while simultaneously maintaining a well-proven sense of context and complete understanding throughout multiple interactions is truly remarkable. Conclusion: the capabilities of ChatGPT are incredibly vast, as they can not only tackle complex coding problems, but also provide assistance with everyday tasks such as creating shopping lists. To delve deeper into understanding ChatGPT, you can check out the provided tutorial video found in the description. Additionally, Edureka offers a comprehensive course on ChatGPT featuring detailed information available within the description. Be sure to stay tuned for exciting use cases and innovative hacks utilizing ChatGPT, as well as a joyful learning experience. Please take a moment to hit the like button and subscribe to receive notifications about the upcoming video and complete the course. Additionally, you can simply press the bell icon for instant notification.